Life is a journey with problems to solve, lessons to learn, and most of all, experience to enjoy. Assalamu alaikum and very pleasant morning to all of you. This is Junior Islamia School and College Faisalabad and I am Asra Gulzar. Welcome in English class. My dear students, today we are going to do exercise of unit number 11. So take out your textbook and open page number 118 and keep your lead pencils in your hands. So let's start doing exercise. First one is vocabulary. Find the words in the lesson which have the following meaning as in column A and write them under column B. One is done for you. Beta, you will find out the words which have been used in the book for the following sentences, and the paragraph is also written that this sentence is used in paragraph number 3 and what word is used for this you will write in column B. First one is done for you. Paragraph 3, a medicine in the form of a tablet. So what word is used for tablet? Pill. Second one is getting into stomach through the throat. When you eat something, when you are taking something in, so the word used in this lesson is swallow, means to eat something. पैराग्राफ नंबर 4, टू मेक एम्प्टी और होलो, किस चीज़ को एम्प्टी करने के लिए, खाली करने के लिए क्या वर्ड यूज है? स्कूप आउट. पैराग्राफ नंबर 5, टू ईट बाय मेकिंग अ स्मॉल साउंड. जब हम खाते हैं तो उसके बाद जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती है उसके लिए इसमें एनिमल्स का बताया हुआ है कि एनिमल्स के खाने की जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती है उसको हम पॉप कहते हैं. पॉप. सो यू विल राइट हियर पॉप. एंड द लास्ट वन इज पैराग्राफ नंबर 5, टू क्रश नॉइजली विथ टीथ. दांतों के साथ चबाते हुए जो साउंड प्रोड्यूस होती है उसको हम कहते हैं क्रंच. CRUNCH, क्रंच. ये मीनिंग्स हैं बेटा जो हमने कॉलम बी में लिखे हैं. नेक्स्ट वन इज रीडिंग कॉम्प्रीहेंशन. क्वेश्चंस आर गिवन हियर. You will consult the text. You can get help from your text, from your reading to solve these questions. You will solve these questions by yourselves as a reading comprehension. Okay, beta, come on the next page, page number 119. Take the right choice to fill in the blanks in each statement. So, each statement is containing 4 options. 4 options are given here. You will choose the correct one and mark tick on the correct answer. The animals like to live in their natural surrounding. The correct answer of the first one is surroundings. The expert doctors look after dash in a zoo hospital animal patients. The doctor dash the ways how the animals should be made to take medicine. So what doctors do? The doctor finds. They search out. So the correct answer is finds. The dash has a great liking for potatoes. Elephant. Elephant has great liking for potatoes as you have read already in the text. Giraffe has liking for dash, loaf of sugar. Spoonbill mostly lives on dash, fish. Spoonbill likes fish. Next is grammar, transitive verbs. Beta, there are 2 types of verbs, transitive and intransitive verbs. When a verb has an object that receives the action of the verb, we say that the verb is transitive. It means कि वो sentences बेटा जिसमें object होता है उनको हम transitive verbs कहते हैं. जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है a doctor gives a pill. ठीक है, डॉक्टर्स क्या देता है? पिल देता है, मेडिसिन देता है, टैबलेट देता है. अब इस सेंटेंस में बेटा डॉक्टर क्या है? सब्जेक्ट है, गिव्स क्या है? वर्ब है, और पिल क्या है? ऑब्जेक्ट. तो वो सेंटेंसेस जिनमें ऑब्जेक्ट गिवन होता है, ऑब्जेक्ट होता है, उनको हम ट्रांसिटिव वर्ब्स कहते हैं. सेकंड एग्जांपल में देख लिया, ह्यूमन पेशेंट गेट्स अ मेडिसिन. हर सेंटेंस के 3 पार्ट्स होते हैं, उसमें 3 थिंग्स आर कंपल्सरी इन ईच सेंटेंस, दैट इज सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब एंड ऑब्जेक्ट. बेटा कुछ सेंटेंसेस ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें ऑब्जेक्ट होता है और बहुत से सेंटेंसेस ऐसे होते हैं जिनमें ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होता. तो वो सेंटेंसेस जिनमें ऑब्जेक्ट होता है उनको हम ट्रांसिटिव वर्ब्स कहते हैं. ठीक है. ओके बेटा, कम ऑन द नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 120. कंप्लीट दीज सेंटेंसेस विद ऑब्जेक्ट्स. सो इन दीज सेंटेंसेस सब्जेक्ट एंड वर्ब्स आर गिवन. सो यू विल राइट द object to complete these sentences. I sold a car. I took tea. I bought a pen. I understood the idea. I wrote a story. Okay, next is intransitive verbs. Definition is given here: when the verb does not have an object and nothing receive the action, we say that the verb is intransitive. ठीक है बेटा, ट्रांसिटिव वर्ब्स वो हैं जिनमें ऑब्जेक्ट होता है और इंट्रांसिटिव वो होते हैं बेटा जिनमें ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं होता. एग्जाम्पल, द बेबी क्राइड. इन दिस सेंटेंस द बर्ड क्राइड. इसमें बर्ड क्या है? सब्जेक्ट. एंड व्हाट इज क्राइड? क्राइड इज अ वर्ब. And there is no object in this sentence. The elephant coughed. Elephant is a subject and coughed is a verb, and there is no object in this sentence. So these are the examples of intransitive verbs. Intransitive verbs means the sentences which do not have object are called intransitive verbs. Use the following intransitive verbs in sentences. So some words are given here. You will make sentences. Slept, he slept. Cried, the baby cried. Fell, the baby fell down. Ran, he ran. Rose, the sun rose. In these sentences there is no object. So these are the examples of intransitive verbs. Next one is make sentences of the following words. Find out whether the verbs are transitive or intransitive. You will make the sentences and you will mark tick if the sentence is transitive. You will mark tick in the box of transitive, and if the sentence is intransitive, you will mark tick in intransitive. Laugh, he laughs loudly. So this is intransitive. Basically in this sentence loudly is an adverb, it is not object. So that is why it is an intransitive sentence. Follow, we should follow rules. This is transitive because rules is object in this sentence. We bought pen. This is also transitive sentence. Weeps, he weeps. Now there is no object in this sentence. This is intransitive sentence. Clean, I clean my car. This is also transitive sentence. Okay beta, this is all about today. You will solve these pages of your exercise and you will learn. Make your concept clear about transitive and intransitive and do practice. Take care and Allah Hafiz.